In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Epic Games quickly and correctly. If you've been wanting to update your display name for Fortnite, Epic Games Launcher, or your Epic account, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Epic Games account in your browser. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your username. This opens the account options menu, which is where you'll find the settings you need. From the menu, click on Account. This will take you to your Epic Games account settings page. On this page, you should be able to see your display name. Next to it, you'll notice a small pencil icon. Click that pencil icon to begin editing your name. Now type in your new display name carefully. Make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear, because this is the name other players will see. After entering your new name, you'll need to check the box that says, "I understand I cannot change my display name again for 2 weeks after this change." This is an important step because Epic Games locks display name changes for a short period after you update it. Once you've checked the box and confirmed you're happy with the new name, click Confirm. Epic Games will save the change, and your new display name should be updated on your account. If you use Fortnite, you may need to log out and back in or refresh the game before the new name appears everywhere. And that's it. You've now changed your name on Epic Games. It only takes a minute once you know where to go. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides, gaming tips, and account tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.